Looking for the ultimate precision tool for your next project? You won't believe how the Bosch GLL 30S changes the game. Welcome to AI Built Pro and Sites, your go-to channel for professional construction tool reviews and insights. Today, we're exploring the Bosch GLL 30S, a compact yet powerful laser level widely used by both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. We'll cover its design, accuracy, battery, real-world applications, and everything you need to know before making a purchase. Stay tuned for a complete breakdown and make sure to check our playlist for all top laser level reviews. The Bosch GLL 30S boasts a rugged yet sleek design, combining durability with portability. The overmolded housing protects the unit from scratches, dust, and minor bumps, ensuring longevity even in demanding job site environments. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry around, whether you're moving between floors or working on uneven surfaces. I personally tested it on various materials, including concrete, drywall, and wooden surfaces, and the device remained perfectly stable. The compact size allows it to fit into tight spaces, and the mounting options let you secure it on tripods or directly onto surfaces for maximum flexibility. Every detail screams professional quality, showing that Bosch designed this unit with both performance and user convenience in mind. Accuracy is key in any laser level, and the Bosch GLL 30S delivers exceptional precision. The bright red laser lines are easy to see indoors and under moderate sunlight. I tested the horizontal and vertical lines on walls spanning 12 to 15 feet, and the self-leveling mechanism instantly corrected minor deviations, keeping the projection lines within plus or minus 4 degrees. This is perfect for cabinetry, shelving, tiling, or aligning frames. In real-world testing, I measured several lines with a standard measuring tape, and the accuracy was flawless. Even in challenging lighting conditions, the lines remained visible and crisp, which is a major advantage for professional contractors who need fast, reliable layouts. One of the standout features of the Bosch GLL 30S is its self-leveling mechanism. Within a few seconds, the device can automatically adjust to ensure perfectly horizontal and vertical lines. I placed it on slightly sloped surfaces and noticed it corrected itself immediately. This feature saves significant time compared to manual leveling, especially on projects requiring multiple alignments. The pendulum system is smooth, reliable, and consistent, ensuring that every line is level without any additional effort. For professionals, this reduces errors and rework, and for DIYers, it provides peace of mind that their work is precise and straight. The Bosch GLL 30S is powered by two AA batteries, providing hours of reliable use without the need for frequent replacements. I ran continuous tests for several hours, and the brightness and accuracy remained consistent. The battery compartment is easily accessible, and the batteries can be replaced in seconds without disrupting the workflow. The low battery indicator alerts you in time, preventing interruptions. For remote job sites or DIY projects where power outlets are limited, this is a major convenience. Overall, the unit balances portability with long-lasting energy efficiency, making it ideal for any environment. I put the Bosch GLL 30S to the test across multiple applications, installing shelves, tiling walls, aligning frames, and even outdoor landscaping layouts. The cross lines allowed precise alignment, reducing both setup time and errors. The compact size made it easy to reposition, while the self-leveling ensured every placement was perfect. Whether for indoor renovations or light construction tasks, the tool maintained consistent performance across various surfaces. The portability and reliability make it a versatile tool for professionals and serious DIYers alike. Evaluating the Bosch GLL 30S, there are numerous benefits. It offers a compact design, durable housing, bright laser lines, self-leveling, easy battery replacement, and exceptional accuracy. The few minor drawbacks include reduced visibility under direct sunlight and a self-leveling range limited to ±4 degrees, which may not suit extremely uneven surfaces. However, the advantages clearly outweigh these minor issues, making this model ideal for small to medium-scale projects, professional contractors, and home enthusiasts who value precision and reliability. Versatility for DIYers and professionals. This laser level is designed for both DIYers and professional users. Homeowners will appreciate its portability, bright laser lines, and ease of use for indoor tasks. Contractors can rely on it for finishing, framing, tiling, and layout alignment. Its self-leveling feature simplifies complex jobs, ensuring straight and precise lines every time. Whether it's a quick home project or a professional construction site, the Bosch GLL 30S adapts to multiple environments and skill levels, providing consistent performance wherever it's used. To summarize, the Bosch GLL 30S delivers everything you need in a compact, reliable, and precise laser level. The durable design, self-leveling mechanism, bright laser lines, and battery longevity combine to make it a high-performance tool. My real-world testing confirms that it exceeds expectations for accuracy, usability, and portability. It's a worthy investment for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts who want top-quality results. Remember, consistent alignment and precision can make all the difference in your projects, and this tool guarantees both. Make sure you don't miss our complete series of top laser-level reviews in our playlist. Subscribe to AI Built Pro and Sites to stay updated with the latest construction tools, detailed reviews, and expert tips. Whether you're a DIYer or a professional, these videos will guide you in selecting the right tool for the job. Check the playlist for every detailed laser-level review and elevate your project quality. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to never miss an update.